3 Duluth WeatherMax forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
As Kristen promised, here's another look at some of the rain totals from last night, and they were pretty high, especially around Lake Nebagaman, a little more than 4.5 inches, 3-inch range around Drummond, 2.5 for the Twin Ports and Ashland, 2 1/3 for Ulu and Moose Lake, and a little more than 2 inches towards Cloquet, and probably, I'm thinking, Carleton as well. Two Harbors, 1.5 inches. Well, we get a little bit of a break now as far as the rain goes. It should be dry for most towns tonight. I say most towns because there's still a chance the tail end of yesterday's low could tickle Wisconsin and Michigan with a few more showers. But in general, higher pressure takes over for tomorrow, brings sunshine for Friday and Saturday morning before our next rain chance comes around Saturday afternoon. There's the sneak preview forecast. Now we'll get into the meat of the situation here by eyeing up the current conditions at Duluth International. Temperature-wise, well, we ate up a lot of that heat, converting it into rain and thunderstorms last night. So temps are going down a little bit. 79 right now, airport. Still warmer than normal, but it's not 89 like it has been a couple of days in the week past. Relative humidity 60%, southwest wind 10 miles per hour, air pressure 1,009 millibars, or 29.79 inches of mercury. Temperature-wise, indeed, yeah, just a little bit cooler around the region. We have upper 70s in the upper peninsula, and most Wisconsin numbers are in the mid to upper 70s as well. Those Superior is showing folks that, hey, we can still have some warmth. 80 there. Oliver's probably pretty close. 81 towards Moose Lake and Barnum, and maybe even Renshaw too. 79 for Hermantown and Proctor. 80 Hibbing. North Shore numbers are in the low 80s, although upper 60s right by the lake in Grand Marais. And then you get towards the Iron Ranges, we're looking at upper 70s to low 80s. Border country is taking a dip down into the mid 70s. Well, it's still going to be warmer than normal for the week ahead, like I mentioned, but not as drastically so as the past week. Low to mid 80s more likely for the week ahead, and upper 70s for a couple of days are possible. So if you don't like it overly humid, that's coming down as well. Dew points will drop into the 50s. That process is already beginning. Again, the showers and storms really wrang that moisture out of the air for us. Current situation shows it's drier in Minnesota and it's clearing up. And over the past few hours, some parts of Wisconsin and Michigan have been getting the showers and isolated thunderstorms. And there's a slight chance, 30% shot for some redevelopment till about 9 o'clock here tonight. So folks, especially towards Iron County and into the UP, yeah, you could get a few more sprinkles. But things should, in general, clear up tomorrow as that low pressure system here goes away and a cell of higher pressure settles in to dry us up and bring back the sunshine, probably Friday through Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, there's a weakish trough of lower pressure coming our way. Saturday afternoon in Ely, we get about a 30% chance for showers and isolated thunderstorms, which in turn gives way back towards sunshine for Sunday. All right, forecast here. Let's start talking some numbers here. If we're talking about things coming down at least a little bit, coming down into the 50s Minnesota-wise tonight for most places. Warmer by the lake actually tonight, partly cloudy sky. Into Wisconsin and Michigan, low temps there will run 58 to about 60, mostly cloudy sky, eventually giving way towards clearer conditions like tomorrow. Tomorrow in Wisconsin and Michigan, you'll get a mostly sunny sky with your range of high temps going about 80 to 85. Into Minnesota, 70s by the lake, low 80s inland with the sunshine. What do we get for the weekend then for the rest of it? Well, Saturday, there's that little blip in the action once you get into the evening. 30% chance for showers and storms. High temp only 79. Tony, where's the heat going? He doesn't know. I don't know why I asked. 78 for Sunday, upper 70s Monday and Tuesday as well. Then back towards 80 by Wednesday. If that Saturday rain chance doesn't pay off, there's a better chance coming around for Tuesday and Wednesday.
Okay, I don't, to answer the question, know where the heat is going at all,
Yeah.
but I'd like it to stay. But hey, 80, 80-ish, that's still not bad.
It was consumed by last night's storm activity.
There you go.
And it'll take a while to rebuild before we do it again.
Okay, thanks, Dave.
No word tonight on what